What's up guys, Ryan with the MXG channel here. I want to do a quick video today. I had a couple stuck bolts and that reminded me of a video I've been wanting to make for a while. I get comments all the time like, what's your favorite shop tool, or tell us about your favorite tools, specialty tools, what tools you use the most whatsoever. I'm going to show you what I use the most probably out of all my tools or equipment in the workshop here. It's probably not what you think. But I just found a handier version and I wanted to share it with you guys. So here it is, guys. It's MAP gas. This is pretty much the setup I've been using for years, and I had a better igniter and handle where you could just twist the button. I'm sure you guys have seen it. Press it, it ignites, and you can twist it on and off. I lost it. I haven't found it in a while. I had this old one laying around because these are actually kind of pricey. This one is a real pain in the butt though. You have to twist the gas all the way on and then ignite it, turn the gas all the way off, and then twist it all the way back on to ignite it. Total crap. So when I was wanting to replace this, I stumbled by this setup over on Amazon. I'll put a link down below if you want to look closer at it. But this is the Firepoint Creator tool. It's a Burns-O-Matic setup. Uses the same tanks, all that stuff. But basically, this provides you a stand for the MAP gas. This threads onto the top. You can turn the gas off right here. I just leave mine on all the time. But then you just have a rubber hose and this little igniter. And let me tell you, at first I looked at this thing and I was like, okay, this is gonna be nice because it's gonna be smaller. I can get it into tighter areas. I can get it back. I was just working on brake calipers and stuff the other day, and it was kind of a tight fit. I couldn't get this entire MAP gas bottle back behind the caliper where I needed to. It was a real pain in the butt. But with this, that won't be a problem. So you turn on here and you've got your dial for your flame size here. Then you ignite it right here and you press up and it locks. You push it down and it turns off. It's that simple. But I want to show you the differences in the flames on these as well. I've got the gas on. This one's almost out. Okay. Look how large that flame is. It's really too large. It's not concentrated very well. And then look at this flame. It's a smaller, more direct, so I can work here on the vise and not burn my vise jaws as easily, but still get to the spots I need. I really like this, guys. And then, you know, as soon as you're done and you shut it off, it's got a stand right here, and that's got metal on the inside, so you're not gonna melt anything. With this wide base, you can mount it somewhere. This stuff's not gonna fall over. I know it might be hard to believe, but MAP gas is the most used tool by me in this workshop. I do a lot of suspension, which is a lot of aluminum to aluminum, and you just have to use MAP gas and patience, or it's just so easy to strip out threads, strip out heads. You know, this stuff's awesome. I've learned, if there's anything I've learned over my years, it's that MAP gas, penetrating oil, and patience are virtues for sure. So yeah, you can get this Creator tool and 2 bottles. I think it's this tool and 2 bottles. No, okay, so it's this tool, this stand, and 3 bottles of MAP gas on Amazon for like $108. And even me using it all the time, that will probably last me all year. Because it just doesn't use a lot of this when it's ignited. So yeah, I'll put a link down below. If you guys appreciate these kind of videos, want to support the channel, hop on that Amazon link, grab you some, or just use that Amazon link to grab whatever you need from Amazon this week, and it will support the channel, guys. Appreciate y'all. See you in the next video.